In this video, I'm going to show you the experiment IR sensor with buzzer. Let's take the IR sensor module and buzzer module. Let's connect the third pin of IR sensor, that is positive pin of IR sensor, to the positive of battery. Let's connect the second pin, that is negative pin of IR sensor, to the negative of battery. Let's connect the first pin of IR sensor, that is signal pin of IR sensor, to the negative of buzzer. Please remember, IR sensor will give negative signal, so let's connect the signal to the negative pin of buzzer, and from buzzer positive pin to the positive of battery. Let's check the obstacle. You can listen that buzzer is giving very less sound. It means signal from the IR sensor is very less, so the buzzer is unable to give loud noise. So how we can increase the volume of the buzzer? We can use the transistor module to increase the signal which is coming from the IR sensor. Let's connect the transistor module. As usual, let's connect the third pin of IR sensor, that is positive pin of IR sensor, to the positive of battery. Let's connect the center pin, that is negative pin of IR sensor, to the negative pin of battery. Let's take the positive pin, that is first pin of transistor, to positive of battery. From the first pin of IR sensor, that is signal pin of IR sensor, to the center pin of transistor. From the third pin of transistor, which is output pin, OP, to the negative of buzzer. From the positive of buzzer to the positive of battery. So we have connected, but is that buzzer working? You can see that IR sensor is detecting, but buzzer is not working. Why? What do you understand from this experiment? Please understand that transistor is a positive switch. It means if you give the positive signal, then only it will work. If you give the negative signal, it never works. So to increase the buzzer sound by using transistor model with IR sensor is not possible directly, because IR sensor will give a negative signal for which transistor is not working to amplify the negative signal. So let's check the reverse as usual. For this, what we have to do? From the signal output of transistor to the positive of buzzer, from the negative of buzzer to the negative of battery. As soon as we connect, we can listen a sound. But when if there is any obstacle, then the buzzer sound will turn off. With this experiment, we understood that transistor can't be used as an amplifier for negative signal.